Introducing the 2004 Subaru Outback. This four-door, five-passenger wagon provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all four corners. Top features include a split folding rear seat, heated seats, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, a roof rack, rear wipers, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.